Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about modes of propagation. Generally, we know that for the communication there are two different types of antennas are needed. First one is transmitting antenna, second one is receiving antenna. For transmitting antenna, the antenna is to transmit the signals from a source, and receiving antenna is to receive the signal from the source. Those transmitting and receiving signals or waves happens by using of the concept propagation. Propagation is nothing but spreading the signals or spreading the waves to the atmosphere. We know that. For this propagation, there are different paths of propagations by which the transmitted signal can reach receiving antenna. The most important propagation paths can be described here. Those are ground wave propagation, sky wave propagation, space wave propagation. Let us consider different antennas are placed at the surface of the earth. Assume that this is the earth surface. I am taking the 4 different antennas. In these antennas, one antenna is transmitting antenna and remaining other antennas are receiving antennas. So receiving antenna 1, receiving antenna 2, receiving antenna 3. We can propagate directly by using this antenna. So we can propagate like this. And one more possible way is by using the atmospheric region. We can also propagate the waves by using the, let us consider this is the atmospheric region, nothing but troposphere. So by using this troposphere, from the transmitting antenna we are going to send the signal to this troposphere, then the signal will be reflected and reaches the destination. And one more possible way is that by using the satellite. From this transmitting antenna we can send the signals to the satellite, and we can transmit the signals to the different antennas. Here three different types of propagations are shown here. Those are wave propagation, ground wave propagation, sky wave propagation, space wave propagation. For different frequencies, the 3 types of wave propagations are classified. Those frequencies are 30 kilohertz to 3 megahertz range. The ground wave propagation will be allowed, and then 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz the sky wave propagation will be allowed, and the 30 megahertz to 300 megahertz, the space wave propagation will be allowed. We know that the frequency range is 30 kHz to 3 megahertz is belongs to low frequency and mid frequencies. For 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz frequency is for high frequency. Then 30 megahertz to 300 megahertz is known as very high frequency. We also discussed the applications in previous session. Next we will go forward to the different types of waves. Factors involved in the propagation of waves. As explained, an EM wave or radio waves travel from the transmitter to the receiver in three different types of waves. Ground wave propagation, it consists of ground waves or surface waves, and space wave propagation, it consists of space waves or tropospheric waves, and sky wave or ionospheric waves. So here ground waves, which are also called as surface waves, exist when transmitting and receiving antenna are close to the earth and vertically polarized. Ground wave, the transmitting antenna and receiving antenna placed on the earth and vertically polarized. Vertical transmitting antenna, receiving antenna, vertically polarized. And this type of wave propagation useful at broadcasting at low frequency and broadcasting signal receiving during the daytime. Due to the ground waves, it is useful for communication at low frequency and mid frequency. Next one, space waves. Space waves are useful in space wave communication. The space waves are also called as tropospheric waves. Here the wave propagates directly from the transmitter to the receiver in the tropospheric region. Directly from the tropospheric region, troposphere at the atmosphere, the transmitting antenna directly transmit and receiver transmits the signal by using tropospheric. This tropospheric wave propagation is called as space wave propagation. This is useful above frequency of 30 megahertz. Next one, waves. Sky waves or ionospheric waves. The signal reception here is by reflection of waves from the ionosphere. The ionosphere is ionized region which lies approximately between the 60 kilometers to 450 kilometers of atmosphere. 60 kilometers to 450 kilometers of the atmosphere. The ionosphere will be lies on the atmosphere. The long distance communication is possible by this skywave propagation. There are several factors are there to influence these three different types of propagations. Those are earth characteristics. First one is earth characteristics. The propagations are based on this earth characteristics in terms of conductivity and permeability and permittivity, etc. Then second one is frequency of operation is also affects on these different types of propagations. For example, we know that the wavelength is high when frequency is low. The frequency is high when wavelength is low. By using this wavelength and frequency, we can send the efficient data. Then third point, the polarization of transmitting antenna and polarization of receiving antenna. The polarization is also one of the factor that affects the propagation. By this polarization, the power density of the transmitting antenna is depending on that polarization. One of the factor to affect the propagation is nothing but height of the transmitting antenna, and another one is transmitting power also. Transmitting power also influence the propagation. And curvature of the earth. Curvature of earth is also affect the propagation. Then obstacles also affects the propagation. Obstacles of earth between transmitter and receiver. The characteristics of the atmosphere also affects on the propagation, such that the tropospheric region is mainly affected by this atmospheric effect. And next one, the moisture content in the troposphere also affects the tropospheric propagation. Moisture content in atmosphere the characteristics of the ionosphere is affected the space wave propagation. Characteristics of ionosphere. Next one, earth magnetic field is also affect the those three propagations. Earth magnetic field. Next, distance between the transmitter and receiver is also affects these wave propagations. This is about modes of the propagation. Let us start in ground wave propagation detailedly in next video. Thank you everyone.